Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Now, this is the 4th of July week. Today is Friday the 5th of July. So it's been a short week in the markets. It's been kind of a slow week in the markets, and I was honestly debating on not making a video this week because the trading has not been super exciting. But then I'm like, no, I want to stay consistent. I want to keep making a video every single Saturday for you guys. And I thought it might be kind of fun to do an Amazon vlog because I haven't made one of those in a few weeks. So I believe that's what we're going to do for this video because I do work today and tomorrow. So anyway, we've got about 7 minutes before the market opens. I'm just getting my levels marked out and stuff and making a game plan. And yeah, on the last video, there were quite a few comments saying that I need to do analysis on the higher time frames, and that's actually what I do on my Thinkorswim charts here. So I do like to go out to the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart and find my levels. I typically find these levels from Vincent's stream. I watch his live stream every morning. He's really good at finding the key support and resistance levels. So for example, today the game plan is to potentially take trades off this 55.85 level on ES. You can see it's the previous all-time high, and we've already got these equal lows at this level here. So if we can get another test this level here, I could potentially go long and maybe get a 2-to-1 out of that. I gotta be careful today because it is pretty choppy. You can just tell there's not much volume in the pre-market. So I'm going to be very selective today. I'm not going to force trades, and if we don't find a trade, that is okay. Next week should be hopefully a better week with more opportunities. So alright, markets are open. Let's wait patiently and see if we get a trade today. Okay, NASDAQ has had a huge move up. It's pulling back to these equal highs. Wow, that's an aggressive pullback. This could be a potential long. I'm gonna try this trade, I think.
Order filled.
Okay, I think I was too early. Yeah, I think I was too early to enter. I mean, it closed above the level, but this next candle is kind of aggressive.
Stop filled.
Man, that is tough. Alright guys, the only other potential setup I'm looking at is this one on the ES. It might be coming into play here, but basically we had a dip down into demand, we got back over the opening print, and now we're potentially putting in a higher low. And I think we could potentially go back up into high day. So if this can actually dip down and test the opening print, I'd consider going long. Okay, ES is pulling back.
Order filled.
I'm taking it. I'm in long on ES here off the opening print. I like this potential higher low. I'm going to cancel the bracket order.
Order canceled.
And I might take partials on this trade.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to take off another contract here just because I really don't want to see this pull all the way back. It is kind of a range day. Yeah, I'll just close it. So we made back the loss plus a little bit more, but alright you guys, now I'm just chilling out. Made oatmeal for breakfast again. So I went 1 for 2 today. I had that loss on the NASDAQ. I thought we were going to hold this level, but we failed and I got stopped out. But then I found a great trade on the ES. We got that potential higher low off the opening print. Now I wish I held full until the high of day, because then I'd be up 100 today instead of just 30. But for some reason I decided to take partials on that trade. I think I was afraid of that trade going red, so I just decided to lock up some profit. By the way, some of you were asking in the comments how I do this pen trick. Not like that, lol. You just hold a pen like this and use your middle finger to flip it around your thumb like that. And I've been doing this for years, man. I learned how to do this in elementary school. And now I do this all the time as I'm sitting here waiting for trades. I have this pen and I just flip it all the time. So anyway, now I'm just gonna chill out for a bit. And I have something to pack up for eBay. I'll drop that off on my way to work. And then we'll hopefully have a good day out delivering, so. Alright you guys, I'm just now getting to work here. And man, we honestly could have had such a great trading day this morning if I didn't miss that NASDAQ bounce at the opening print. Those trades just happened so fast and my reaction time just wasn't quick enough. I'm still just struggling with hesitation. Sometimes taking trades in the first like 15 or 30 minutes are a little sketchy, but I have just missed out on too many of those trades. Like in the past two or 3 weeks or so, I'm still working on just having that mentality of just take the trade, man. Take every good setup like that. Thinking probabilities, and then the fear shouldn't go away. Yeah, the fear of losing shouldn't go away. I'll show you guys the live trades later on in the video. But for now, we're gonna go inside and clock in and then get these packages delivered.
Absolutely the worst.
Here we go. Alright, I'm just getting all logged into to the Amazon Flex app and did the vehicle inspection and everything, and I'm honestly feeling grateful because it seems like the routes are a bit shorter today, at least mine is. We've got 150 stops, only 17 multi-stop locations, and only 203 packages. And honestly, a normal day is like 170 stops and like 260 packages, so. And that's always a good thing, honestly. It means it'll be a less stressful day. I don't have to focus on rushing like crazy to every stop. And I'll be able to focus on doing the video a little bit. So it should be a pretty chill day. So now we're just waiting for the dispatchers to call a stand up, and we'll have our little meeting, so. Alright, all loaded up. Time to go. Alright guys, I'm on my way to my first stop. And a couple of things about the last video I made. I was going through the comments, you know, I didn't have a very good week. And I'm not sure who posted this comment here. I'll put it up on the screen if I find it. But, you know, the idea that I should be a successful trader in 2 months after starting this Road to Getting Funded series, I just don't agree with that. Now I understand, like, getting funded, that part alone is not that hard. It shouldn't be that hard. But a lot of people gamble. I'm gonna be honest. Like, a lot of people gamble to get their accounts. They over leverage, you know. I'm going about it in a slow, consistent manner, risking just $100 per trade. And if I'm not profitable, I mean, why am I going to be passing these evaluations? There's a Forex trader out there named, what is it, Jade Cap FX. I'm not too familiar with him, but I know that, I believe it took him about 7 or 8 years to become a consistently profitable trader. Now, honestly, I don't think that's typical. That is a very, very long time, and I certainly don't think it'll take me that long as I focus on the right things, but that just goes to show this is not an overnight success game. I'm in this game for the long term, and it's going to take me a while to really, really gain solid consistency. So I'll see you guys at the first stop. Alright. Man, we've started off with quite a few of the oversized boxes. Nice day out here, that's for sure. Three boxes at one house. Let's see, I hope they're not huge. You know what the fun thing is about these deliveries? They're called garage deliveries. You just swipe and then it connects to the garage. And we have to go leave it in there. Packages are in garage and then swipe to close it. And if it works properly, it should close. Yeah. Okay, it closed all the way. The thing about garage deliveries is sometimes it won't connect properly. Alright you guys, it's much later into the afternoon. It's about 6 p.m. now. So I guess it's the evening, not the afternoon. And we're doing pretty good today. Like I said, this was a lighter route. We've got one like full-size bag left, and then just a few overflow packages. Probably about 20 stops left, and then we can head on back to the station. I'm just taking a quick break to eat and have some water and stuff. So now would probably be a good time to play the live clips from the trading this week. And after that, we'll go ahead and wrap up our day at work and head home. I'll probably get done a little bit early today, so I can probably start editing this video tonight rather than Saturday morning. I usually just wake up super early on Saturdays and get all the editing done before I go to work. The last time the file didn't even upload in time. So hopefully I get it done by Saturday morning. We'll see. Anyway, enjoy the live trading.
Order filled.
I'm trying a long here. And yeah, this is a big level on ES here. So I think there's a good chance we can start to push back up off this level. We're not going to look for a super high risk reward, but
Stop filled. Order submitted.
yeah, I like this trade in RTY.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. I'm moving this to a 1-to-1. Just for the sake of my confidence, I'll take a 1-to-1 scalp because it's been so long since I've had a green day.
Connection lost.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Why did I lose connection? What's going on? Okay, it says it's back now. Of course, this is dropping. Do I have internet?
Stop filled.
Man. Okay, break even. Okay, give us this retest, please. If we're gonna retest this level here, I do not want this to run away without me. I'm gonna
Order filled.
I could have waited for the actual retest. Okay, I did not really wait for proper confirmation on this trade. Oh well.
Stop filled.
Yep, that's what I get for not actually waiting for the retest. How is that possible? How is that even possible? What the? I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. Alright, last stop of the day happens to be another garage delivery. Let's make sure it opens. Yeah, it's opening. Alright, that was the last stop. Let's head back to the station. And we are back. Alright, I just dropped off my bags and the leftover packages that I couldn't deliver. Sorry, I didn't record that part because I had to talk to the staff about why some of those packages were on my route. I had 3 packages with an address from a different state, and I was wondering why those were on my route again. So anyway, now I'm just gonna go park my van and go inside and turn in my key and stuff. So, okay, now we're done for the day. Time to go home. Time to start the editing for this video tonight. So hopefully I can have it out in time tomorrow morning before I go to work. That's always my goal anyway. The last time it took a while. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. I really hope you guys enjoyed another Amazon vlog. Those are a lot of fun to make. I enjoy editing those as well. I know I really didn't do a in-depth trade breakdown this video. I just showed some of the live trades to you. Now, if I remember correctly, I'd have to go look at my trading journal to be 100% sure, but I think we ended the week down about 1 R. It might have been less than that. It might have been like 0.5 R. So yeah, unfortunately, another red week. And again, I certainly could have had a green week. I just missed out on some good trades again. And you know what I thought about doing is if I end up hitting the max drawdown on this Apex account, I might go on demo for a week. I might set my demo account to like 25k, because that would obviously completely eliminate fear and hesitation, obviously. And I'd probably just take every single trade, even if it's not like an A++ setup, even if like it's a B or B+ setup, still take the trade and just see how my results are at the end of the week. And then if the results are good, I should be more confident trading these evaluations, because then I would have more confidence that my strategy actually does work, and I wouldn't just cherry pick trades and pick only certain trades, and then those happen to be losers and I miss out on winning trades. So I might do that in the future. We'll see. But for now, I'm going to keep on trading this Apex account and just work on my confidence and my psychology. So yeah, feel free to leave me any advice down in the comments below. I like hearing you guys' advice, and I definitely think it is helping me as long as I put it into practice. So that's going to be it for today. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.